What is up guys, I am Udhav Chaudhary and welcome back to another video of tips and tricks. And today I will be showing you 4 card tricks that you can learn and show your friends. So for all these 4 card tricks, the first thing you have to remember is you have to remove the jokers or the wild card. In some cards decks there are 2 jokers and there are 3. So you have to remove them. So in this video, first I am going to show you the tricks and then I am going to show you the tutorial. So the first trick is like this. Take 9 cards. Tell the spectator to pick one, don't show it to me. Place it on the top. What's the card you pick? The Queen of Spades. So now I'm going to tell you how to do this. So as I told you, take 9 cards. Tell the spectator to choose one. For example, he chooses this. It's the 10 of clubs. Tell him or her to place it on the top of this 9 cards and place it at the bottom of the deck. There are 52 cards in a deck, and after subtracting 9, we get 43. So we keep this on 43 third place, as after we do this trick, it will be 43 always. So now I am telling you, we have to make 4 piles for this and reverse counting from 10 to 0. If the first letter is 10, Jack, Queens, Kings or Ace, we will consider it as 10 and then move to the next pile. Like 10, it's Jack, so we will consider it 10. Then 10, then 9. Now we have to reverse count. If the number does not come, we will end it up in 0. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So it's not. Now we'll move up to the next pile. 10. It's 10. Now 10. So it's 30 in total. So we'll count 30 in this, and the 30th card will be the card that the spectator chose. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. So according to me, this should be the 10 of clubs. Yes, this is the 10 of clubs. So now I am going to tell you the second trick. For this trick, you need only 8 cards, the 4 kings and the 4 queens. So tell a spectator to think a card in your mind. Think one card.
Yes,
Have
I
you thought?
thought, yes.
Okay. So I am asking you questions, you have to answer that. Was the card that you chose one of these 4?
Yes.
Okay. Was the card that you thought one of these?
No.
Okay. So this is the last thing that I am going to ask you. Was the card you thought one of these 4?
Yes.
Okay. So now the cards are going to tell me what was your card. So the card that you thought was a queen.
Yes.
It was of red color.
Yes.
And it was the Queen of Hearts.
Yes.
And this is your card, which is the Queen of Hearts. So now I'm going to tell you how to do this trick. as I told you, you have to take 8 cards. First, the first card should be the king of clubs, then the king of hearts, then the king of spades, and then the king of diamonds. Same with the queens. So, what you have to do is tell the spectator to choose one. For example, he chooses this, which is the queen of spades. Then you have to do it like this. It places on the bottom, then one card on the top, then another on the bottom, then the top, then bottom, then top, then bottom, that top. So then you have to take all the top cards, which is the 4 cards, and ask the spectator that is the card one of them. So in this case, it's not. So if it is, we should keep it on the top, and if it's not, we have to keep it on the bottom. So now we have to do this 3 times. In this case also we are going to ask him or her. In this case it's there, so we'll keep the on the second go at the bottom. Then the last time. So in this there is it. So we'll keep it on the top. On the first time you have to keep the 4 cards which is there on the top, then at the bottom, and then again on the top. So now you have to make 2 piles starting with left, like left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And the cards always tell you that what is it. So now it tells me that it is a queen. Yes, it's right. Then also we'll start always with the left. If not, it will mess up the whole trick. Now it will tell me if it is a black or it's red. So it's black. Yes, it's right. Now we'll do it with left, right also. Left, right. Now it will tell me is it spades or it is clubs. So it tells that it's spades. So yes, it is a queen. It is a black color and it's of spades. So yes, it's the queen of spades. So now I'm going to tell you the third trick. For the third trick, you need 21 cards. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. For these 2 tricks now that I'm going to tell you, you can tell the spectator to shuffle it in their own way. So now you are going to tell the spectator to pick one. So pick one that you want. Don't show it to me. Have you seen? So now put it anywhere that you want and shuffle the deck if you want. Should I shuffle? Okay. Okay. So for this trick you have to make 3 piles. Like tell me the pile at the end that in which your card is in. In which pile was your card in?
Center.
Center one.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to do this 3 times. In which pile is your card in?
Center.
Center only. Okay. Now I'm going to do this the last time. In which pile is your card in?
Center.
Center. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you what the card was. What's the card? 7 of hearts.
Yes.
Okay. So now guys, I'm going to tell you how to do this. So as I told you, take 21 cards. Tell the spectator to choose anyone. For example, he chooses 9 of spades. Then let him put it anywhere in the middle also and let him shuffle like the way he wants. So now you have to make 3 piles and ask the spectator at the end of each pile that in what pile is their card in. So like in this, the card in the pile was this one, as it has the 9 of spades. So what you have to do, the pile in which the card was, you have to put it in the second time. Like take this the first, then put it in the middle, and then like this. Okay, so now you have to do this 3 times. In this it was in the middle, so now I'm going to take it on the second go. So now this is the last time that I'm going to do this, then I'm going to reveal the card. In this case the card was in this pile, so I'm going to take this as the second one. Now I'm going to reveal the card. You have to count the cards, and the card which was theirs will be always on the 11th place. Like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this should probably be the 9 of spades. So now I'm going to tell you the last trick of the day. This is the best one that I know. That is why I've saved this for the last. You have to make 3 piles of kings, queens and jacks of these 3 color spades, clubs, hearts and of diamonds. So what you have to do is tell the spectator to pick anyone. For example, he picked this. Tell him to shuffle this in a way that he wanted. Like he can shuffle this in any way he wants, and he have to put 1, 2 and 3, and rest also he can shuffle like in any way. Okay, so which pile do you want to keep on which?
First, second, third. First, second, third.
Now I will shuffle it more if you want, so that the cards are mixed up very nicely. Which one on which?
This on top of this.
Okay. So now I'm going to assemble these all like the way it was. C, L, U, B, H, E, A, R, T, D, I, A, M, O, N, D, C, L, U, B, H, E, A, R, T, D, I, A, M, O, N, D. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So now I'm going to tell you the tutorial for this. In this you will take only 3 shapes of cards, not the spades, because it does not match with this. You can tell your spectator to choose any one, and he may shuffle it in the way that you want it. He can shuffle this in any way, but remember to tell him that he place it like this, 3 piles. He can shuffle in any way that he wants, and keep it in any way that he wants. You can also tell him to put any pile on any which way that he wants, and you may also make another shuffle. So now for this trick, what you have to do is spell the word, that is club, heart and diamond. Do not add any S in that. Like it's C, L, U, and put the last letter card at 1, 2, R, T. Then diamond. D, I, A, M, O, N, D. So now for the second go, you may start it with here and spell it C-L-U-B, C-L-U-B, H-E-A-R-T, D-I-A-M-O-N-D. And put the rest 3 cards in the second way, like 1, 2, and 3. Then you will see that all are in their colors only, like this. So thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please click that like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for our time.